Good morning. Here's how to download your subcard and send it to Nancy Ayub. So when you're in the subcard section of the Langley Virtual Opening, you're going to click here on the pop-out. Ta-da! Pops it out. And then what you'll want to do is you don't want to open it as a Google Doc because that's going to open it in a different format than Nancy wants it. You want to go right here. This is the download button, and this will download the file in its DocX or Microsoft Word document form. So it should download it, and this should pop up right here on the bottom. When you open it, ta-da! You can type in your information. So here's your information right here. Once you're done, you want to go to File, Save As. Save it as, I would save it as substitute information and then put your name. So I'm Fisher. Ta-da! And check to see where it's saving so you know where to send it. Click Save. And then you can go add it to an email and send it to Nancy that way. And that's how to save your sub info card and send it to Nancy Ayub. Thank you.